STAAR Online Testing Tools.
Hey educators, let's take a look at the tools for the 8th grade Social Studies and U.S. History STAAR Online tests. First off, students will see all of the standard navigation tools we went over in the STAAR Navigation Tools video. But on top of those, there are a few specific tools worth calling out for these tests. One of them is the Notepad. Students can use this to take notes as they move through the test. They can cut, copy, and paste inside the Notepad, but there is a 10,000 character limit. And here's the important part. If they close the Notepad without saving, their notes will be lost. Always click Save and Close to keep those notes. And remember, the Notepad is just a tool. Answers still need to go in the test itself. Next is the Graph Draw tool. Students can move and resize the window to fit anywhere on the page. They'll be able to adjust transparency with a slider, change grid size, pick different colors, plot points, connect lines, and even free draw with a pen. To start over, just hit reset. The last tool to point out here is the line reader. When it's turned on, it highlights one line of text at a time. This can really help students stay focused as they read through passages and questions. And that's it for the Social Studies and U.S. History test tools. Encourage your students to explore and practice with these features ahead of time so they'll feel confident using them when it matters most.